Hello there, Lisa and I just got done watching Totally Killer from 2023, 1 hour and 43 minutes long, rated R. When the infamous Sweet 16 killer returns 35 years after his first murder spree to claim another victim, 17-year-old Jamie accidentally travels back in time to 1987, determined to stop the killer before he can start. I liked this movie. I thought it was really cute, done well. I'll see if I can find a link to either the trailer or the movie itself. I'll put it below. Lisa, what'd you think of it?
It was a good movie. I liked it. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah. I thought it was cute. I wouldn't probably watch it again, but it was worth watching at least once. I'm not sure what genre it would be considered, really. But maybe like suspense, I guess.
Yeah.
Kind of suspense.
Thriller.
Thriller, yeah, suspense.
With a horror, of course, aspect. Like
it has some well-known faces, and the references to the 80s in those parts of the movie are pretty entertaining as well. But if you've seen Totally Killer, let me know what you thought of it in the comment section. If you have not, does it sound like a movie you might enjoy? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.